The next time you're near Dollar Tree, you definitely want to take a second, stop inside, and check out all the brand new organization products that they have. I've been absolutely shocked by all the brand new things I've been finding in Dollar Tree recently. I even posted a video full of all the brand new craft and art supplies that they have. If you missed that video, that'd be a great one to click over and watch next. I'll make sure to link it at the end. But first, I want to say welcome. If you are brand new, my name is Shannon from TheDailyDIYer.com. And if you're joining me again, I want to say welcome back to my devoted DIYers. I always enjoy spending some time with you. Now let's dive into those brand new organization finds at Dollar Tree. So let's start with my absolute favorite find. It was this handbag storage organizer. They had them in two different colors, gray and a navy blue. And why is it my favorite? Because there are so many different things you can use this for storing. And it's a pretty good size, 24.5 inches tall by 13 inches wide. So you have quite a bit of storage. You can also put these back to back and get a double-sided storage because as you can see, the front has a clear plastic. That's where all the organizing is. The backing is just the backing. So if you put them back to back, you could get twice the amount of storage. So I love that idea. We're going to start with this idea, a gift wrap organizing station. Don't forget, Dollar Tree also has amazing wrapping paper, such cute prints at a really great price. So you can see here, you can just slide them right into this organizer. You can use the whole thing for just your wrapping paper if you have a ton of wrapping paper. If not, you can use this for other things for wrapping to keep it all organized for you and all together. So things like tissue paper, gift bags, and also your wrapping tools like your tape and your scissors. I found these cute bags at Target, but Dollar Tree has great gift bags at great prices too. Just kind of organizing them into those little slips and adding in those tools as well. That way the next time you go to wrap a gift, everything is together. It's easy to grab out what you need, color coordinate. You could put ribbon in there too. So many different things you could use this for to keep it handy. Keep this in mind. You can have one for birthday. You can have one specifically for Christmas. So lots of great options here. So of course, this is just one idea. Another idea is to use it for some of your crafting supplies. This works perfectly for rolls of vinyl. Mine are about 12 inches wide, so they slide right in there. But always take advantage of that wall space, or obviously these are on little plastic hangers. So you could put this into a closet and hang it on a bar or rod. But always keep in mind to use that vertical space for organization, and you could put so many different craft supplies in here, but like I'm showing you here, so good for storing all of your vinyl rolls. Now I also have to head over to my friend Sarah Jane at Chic on the Cheap. She had an amazing idea for these handbag totes as well that I wanted to share with you. This is such a great way to store your florals. So those are one of those tricky things that might be a little bit difficult to keep organized or keep them from getting smashed. And this is a great way to do it. So thank you, Sarah Jane, for sharing this idea. Head over to her channel and check it out if you love this type of content. She has great Dollar Tree and budget-friendly DIYs over there as well. Dollar Tree is no stranger to having great over-the-door storage hook solutions. These are two new ones, or at least they are new to me in my store. They had two different colors. They had white and black, and these are more of like a thinner metal, so you don't want to put anything too heavy on these, but they're still pretty sturdy, and they just hang over a cabinet door or a regular door. I'm using my armoire here as an example, and this is a great way to store tote bags or your purses. I like to swap out my purses quite a bit, so having them out and handy to just grab on the go has been so nice. Instead of tucking them kind of hidden back in the closet, now I can see what I've got, and they are just readily available and handy, and they look really cute hanging up too. If you have a full-length mirror, sometimes those are places where you kind of want to keep things handy as well. So these hooks are a great way to do that. You can just tuck them right over your mirror. Just make sure you're really careful that the metal doesn't scratch or crack the glass in your mirror. So you can put it off to the side a little bit. That is helpful. You also don't want to cover up your reflection in the mirror. So this is just a cute way to kind of keep some of your accessories handy, like these headbands that I'm showing you here. So for this idea, you're going to need 2 of those over-the-door hooks and 2 baskets. These are the perfect ones at Dollar Tree. They are wire metal baskets, and you can actually just slide these right over the hooks on your door. So you can see I've spaced them out so that the corners kind of line up and they just slide right on there. I love this idea because you can easily take the baskets off and take it wherever you need it, or you can just permanently leave them there if you want and they're nice and secured. And then you can use this for different things. Get creative here, whatever your needs some extra storage for. These are some fun headbands that I have, also my little hair clips that I put in the top basket, but use the sides of the basket. You could clip things onto the baskets, you could add S-hooks to the baskets and hang things off of them for even more storage. If you like watching organization videos like this one, please hit that thumbs up button. That lets me know that you want to see more content like this one. So those were some hair accessory ideas, but you could also add things in there for your bathroom. Works great for hand towels and for washcloths too. So this works for smaller spaces. If you have a nice compact space, then that would work great. But if you've got more space, you can expand this idea and make it even wider with the help of some dowel rods. I got these from the hardware store. I cut it down so it would fit the size of my door. And then I'm taking it over and just painting it white so that it matches the brackets or the hooks that are on the door and kind of blends in so it looks like its own system. So this is pretty much the same idea. You're gonna still need those baskets and those hooks from Dollar Tree, 2 of those hooks, but you're also gonna need those dowel rods. I cut mine down to 18 inches, but you cut yours down to whatever size you need. And then you're also gonna need some of these S-hooks. Again, very affordable from the hardware store. I wish Dollar Tree would carry S-hooks because I use them a lot and they're affordable and they totally could do it. So hopefully in the future they will. And basically this is so easy. We're just gonna take those dowel rods and we're gonna hang them from the top and from the bottom hooks on the over the door hooks. You can see it all kind of blends in together now, and we're gonna take those S hooks and we're gonna hang those over the dowel rods, and then we're gonna use those hooks to put those baskets onto. So you can see it basically just doubled the amount of space. I only had 3 baskets, but you could absolutely do 4 baskets here. And you can see you could even paint those S hooks, spray paint them if you want to. It's just a little bit too cold here yet to go outside and spray paint, but you get the idea here. Again, great idea to add to a bathroom door, to add hand towels, washcloths, toiletries, cleaning supplies, toilet paper, all that kind of stuff, and really maximize the amount of hanging space that you have on the back of your door. So I have some more Dollar Tree organization hacks for you, so stay tuned. But we're gonna head back into Dollar Tree in their plus section. I know not everybody has a Dollar Tree with the plus section, but if you do, head over there because they have lots of great new organization items as well, still at great prices, especially compared to other stores. So this 6-shelf hanging organizer is $5 in the Dollar Tree Plus. Great price compared to Walmart's, which was $13.87. They also have these great longer hanging organizers, 10 shelves, $5 at Dollar Tree compared to $9.99 at Walmart, so you're saving 50% off here. Great deal. They also have these under the bed storage boxes for only $5. Again, compared to Walmart, theirs are $12.88. The exact same size, so great bargain at Dollar Tree. They have these shoe organizers. I love these. I may do a video just hacking these shoe organizers because there's so many things you can do with them. $5 again in the plus section, and of course more than double that at Walmart for $13.50. So definitely head to Dollar Tree if you can and you can find these items. They had some nice tote boxes as well. And back in the regular Dollar Tree section, they have some new tote bins as well. Love the nautical vibe of these. No worries if you don't have a plus section. There are still so many great new finds in the regular organization area at Dollar Tree, including these under the bed shoe organizers. Now, of course, they're not going to be as great a quality as the $5 ones, but these still work. I was a little bit skeptical whenever I pulled this out of the bag because it seemed pretty flimsy, the zipper, the material, and everything. But once I started adding my shoes to this, I was a little bit more impressed. The separators are not connected to the bottom, which I was kind of worried about, but once you start getting your shoes in there, it actually does keep everything organized. I don't think you necessarily have to have them connected to the bottom because you're basically going to shove these under your bed and not really see it, and they're going to stay pretty much organized anyway. But once you get your shoes in there, it is rigid enough that you can slide it out from under your bed and put it back in there. I thought this was really nice for the price. That way you keep your nicer shoes dust-free, lint-free, dirt-free, and still organized and easily accessible when you need them. Get excited for this. Not only do they have the shoe organizers in the plus section, but they now also have them in the regular $1.25 Dollar Tree price point, a smaller version, 8 pockets versus the 20 pockets of the $5 ones, but still a great organization find, great deal, and they have them in the 2 colors, the navy blue and the gray. I want all of you guys' ideas. Leave them in the comments below for me because like I said, I think I'm gonna do a hacks video on just ways to use these shoe organizers. And I bet you guys have some really great ideas that if I pick your idea, I will definitely make sure to tag you and make sure your idea is shown in that video coming up. So leave me your comments below. This is just one idea. Of course, I had to show you at least one in this video, using it for your hair items. So not just your hair tools like your hair dryer, your straighteners, curling irons, but also your hair accessories like brushes and all of your different products. You can see these, even though there's only 8 pockets, they still hold a ton. I also get so many questions about my hair and how I do my hair, so I will make sure to put a link down in the description box to all the products I use, all the tools I use, and the brush is my absolute favorite thing in the world, so I'll make sure to link all that down in the description box below. I will put an Amazon storefront with all of the items that I use for my hair there, so if you want to check it out, you can click over and do that, but otherwise, put all your own favorite hair items in there. So great to keep everything organized and handy. Also, another brand new find is this jumbo, I should say quote unquote jumbo storage bag. I had the idea of using this for all of our winter coats because finally we can start putting our winter coats away. It's just kind of a jacket spring season now. Obviously, Honey is a really great help. She's awful cute help anyway. But as you can see when I opened this, I was quickly disappointed. It is not jumbo. It's not really even large. It's probably more on the small medium side. So unfortunately, it is definitely not big for us to put our adult coats into, but it is big enough for me to put my 10-year-old coats in there. So if that gives you any size comparison, I am gonna still share this with you in case you have bigger bags you can still do this with. I just took some scissors and cut a small hole right in the top of the bag, and then I'm sliding those hangers up into that hole. That way I still have the hangers, but I'm able to zip up this storage bag, and then it keeps everything inside dust free, and it'll be nice and clean when it comes time to unpack these come fall and winter season again. But can we just not think about that? I am so excited for spring and summertime finally. You guys let me know down in the comments below. Are you a spring, summer, fall, or winter lover? I'm definitely summer all the way, but I'm just more excited than anything to have some warm weather no matter what season it is. So just showing you how to hang this bag up. And if you didn't want to cut a hole in your bag, this one also has a handle on the side, so you can also just hang it right from the handle at the top as well. This next item is not even an organization item. You can find it in the home decor section. They market it more like a wreath, or as you can see, photo clip wire circle thing, but we can use it for organization as well. I'm gonna grab some of these removable hooks from Dollar Tree as well, but you can use screws, you could use nails to permanently affix this to your wall if you wanted to. I'm just kind of showing you the idea, so I didn't necessarily keep this up here. But you can just tack this right onto your wall and then use it for jewelry. So not only is it really, really handy, but it also looks really cute too. And then maybe kind of get some of those earrings and bracelets and things out of your jewelry box that you maybe forget about, that kind of gets pushed to the back. So you can easily accessorize a little bit easier. And these, I'm just putting a ton of my earrings on here. You can also use those hooks to clip on your earrings that don't have the hooks on them for your ears. You can see here down at the bottom, I did that with the round white ones. That way they're still out, but they obviously don't just like sit onto the little wires. But you can also add, you know, clip on your watches, your bracelets, your necklaces, and display them with one of these too. Another new awesome Dollar Tree find are these hooks. Loving them. They come in a set of 2, so a great price point here. Not only do they clip on and hold 4 different items, but they spin and rotate too. So I love this, and I think the first idea that everyone probably has is these make great storage for your belts. So these are all my husband's belts, just sticking them onto each one of the hooks. You could add several on here too. There was plenty of room, and then you can just spin it, grab off what you need, and get to your day. Another idea here would be to use neckties, which I love because again, you can stack these on top of each other and have plenty of storage for tons of different neckties, and then you can spin these around and kind of grab off what you need and get on with your day. Another idea is to use these for your purses and your tote bags, maybe things that aren't too heavy so you still have that rotating effect. Great for a closet or great for a hall closet or an entryway closet so you can grab and go. If you enjoy content like this, organization hacks, budget-friendly home decor and ideas, and more from Dollar Tree, then you definitely want to subscribe, hit the bell, and select all so you never miss a new video. I want to thank you all so much for joining me today. Head down to the description box for links and items that I mentioned throughout this video, and you can head over and watch that video next that I mentioned with a brand new arts and crafts finds. You can find a Dollar Tree right now popping up on your screen. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Have a creative day.